The SAMERY 68-inch RV Loveseat Recliner Sofa offers a manual reclining feature, allowing you to adjust your seating with ease and enjoy a smooth footrest lift. This loveseat is designed with dual, independent reclining seats, allowing each person to choose their preferred angle from 90 to 160 degrees for ultimate comfort. The multifunctional console includes 4 cup holders, a flip-up storage area, and side pockets, ensuring that all your essentials are within easy reach. Constructed with an SGS-certified heavy-duty frame, this loveseat can support up to 700 pounds, offering durability and stability for long-term use. With its space-saving design, this loveseat requires only 6 inches of walls, making it ideal for any room, including living rooms, home theaters, and RVs. The SAMERY Loveseat is easy to assemble, taking just 10 to 20 minutes, and comes with reliable customer support to enhance your purchase experience.